Wouldn't that be fantastic? To exist in a universe where such vitality, the forest is enormous, providing us with fresh air. Thousands of creatures call it home. Oceans and rivers that are clean. Humans and animals coexisting peacefully. Right now, however, humanity is in the midst of a worldwide crisis. Changes in climate, temperatures are rising, sea levels are rising as ice caps melt, weather that is unpredictable, hurricanes and cyclones with greater strength, harvest productivity is declining, consumer goods prices will climb, more poverty as a result, and at the current rate of progress, it may result in humanity's extinction. However, I believe it is not too late to act to make change, because we are the people of change. Together, we've got this. We can resurrect, in the interest of future generations, for humanity's sake. We can show our love and personal contribution on the rehabilitation of the environment by the following. Saving water. Water is wasted more frequently than we can see. Turn off the faucet after brushing your teeth. Don't turn on your shower until you're ready to get in and wash your head. Limit your water usage when you wash your dishes. Changing old habits will be good for both the environment and your budget. Consume energy. Consuming less power at home to help to reduce power plant emissions that emitted when generating electricity and also help conserve the Earth's natural resources. Use reusable bags. Plastic groceries type bags that get thrown out and trash in landfills or other places near at the environment. This can suffocate animals or get stuck there just to get food. Also, takes quite a while before the bags are discomposed. Recycle. Recycling is a simple thing to do, but so many people don't do it. You can help reduce pollution by just putting the garbage in their correct trash can. Plant a tree. Trees help to clean our air, filter our drinking water, purify our soil, provide habitat over 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. Progress is impossible without a change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. By George Bernard Shaw. Make a difference before it's too late. #CSBN loves Mother Nature.